Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in engineering, BS Physics, BS Maths, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education major maths. Please join with me this topic in integral calculus, trigonometric function by integration. So I have here integral of cosine to the 7 theta d theta. So let us recall our cosine squared theta. Okay, by the way, I have to split this one first. So this will be cosine. I will make this even. This will be cosine to the 6 theta times cosine theta d theta. If we will add this one, it will be cosine 7 theta d theta. Okay, so recall our Pythagorean identity. So we have cosine is equals to 1 minus sine squared theta. This is from cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equals to 1. Okay? So transpose sine squared theta to the right. So this will come up with 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay? So in this case, I have to plug in. So this will be cosine theta. So this will be cosine squared theta raised to the power of 3 and then cosine theta d theta. Okay? So this will be equivalent to cosine to the 6 theta d theta. Then I will plug in the identity. So this will be 1 minus sine squared theta to the power of 3. And then I have cosine theta d theta. Okay, using our algebra, so I have to multiply 3 times. So this will be 1 minus sine squared theta. Then 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, this will be multiplication. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then minus sine squared theta. Then this will be minus sine squared theta. Then minus minus, that will be plus. Sine squared theta times sine squared theta, that will be sine to the 4th theta. So bring down 1. Then minus sine squared theta minus sine squared theta, that will be minus 2 sine squared theta plus sine to the 4th theta. Okay? So, we need 1 because this is to the power of 3. So, I need 1 minus sine squared theta. Again, this is multiplication. So, 1 times 1, that is 1. Then, negative 2 sine squared theta. Then this will be plus sine to the 4th theta. Then this will be negative sine squared. This will be negative sine squared theta. Then this one will be negative, that will be positive. Positive 2 sine to the 4th theta. Then this will be negative. Negative times positive, that will be negative. Sine squared theta times sine to the 4th theta, that will be sine to the 6th theta. Okay, so bring down 1. Negative 2 sine squared theta, then minus sine squared theta, that will be minus 3 sine squared theta. Then this will be plus. Sine to the 4th theta plus 2 sine to the 4th theta, that will be 3 sine to the 4th theta. Then bring down sine to the 6th theta. Okay, so I will plug in here. So integral of circle brackets 1 minus 3 sine squared theta plus 3 sine to the 4th theta. Then minus sine to the 6th theta. Then times cosine theta d theta. Okay? And then multiply. So this will be integral of cosine theta d theta. Then minus integral of 3 sine squared theta cosine theta d theta. Then next, plus integral of 3 sine to the 4th theta cosine theta d theta. Then the last one is minus, just write in here, minus integral of sine to the 6th theta, then cosine theta d theta. Okay? So I will write in here to make it exact. In here. So this will be integral of cosine theta d theta. Then this will be minus. I will place this one outside because this is constant. 3 integral of sine squared theta. Then cosine theta d theta. Then plus this one also outside because this is a constant. 3 is a constant. So this will be sine to the 4th theta cosine theta d theta. Then minus integral of sine to the 6th theta cosine theta d theta. Okay? So in here, integral of cosine theta d theta, that will be sine theta. Then minus. This will be u is sine theta. Then du is cosine theta d theta. Same in here. U is equals to sine theta. Then du is cosine theta d theta. In here also, so u equals sine theta. Then du is cosine theta d theta. Okay? So, just write in here. So, integral of cosine theta, that will be sine theta. Then this will be minus 3 integral of sine squared theta is u. U squared, right? U squared and then du cosine. So, this will be du. Then this will be plus 3 integral of sine to the 4th, that will be u to the 4th. Then cosine theta, that will be du. So, this will be du. Then this will be minus integral of u to the 6th. Then cosine theta d theta is du. So, this will be du. Okay? So, I will write in here. Allow me to erase this portion. So, this will be equal to sine theta. Then this will be minus integral of u squared du, that will be u cubed, right? So this will be 3u cubed over 3. And then plus 3 integral of u to the 4th du, that will be u to the 5th over 5. Then this will be minus integral of u to the 6th du, that will be u to the 7 over 7. And then this will be plus c. Okay? Then this will be sine theta. This will be crossed out. So I have now u cubed plus 3 over 5 u to the 5th. Then minus u to the 1 over 7. I mean 1 over 7 u to the 7 plus c. Then plug in the value of u. So this will be sine theta minus u. U is sine. So this will be sine theta to the power of 3. Then this will be plus 3 over 5. This will be also sine theta to the 5th. Then minus 1 over 7 sine theta to the 7th. And then this will be plus c. So, this will be sine theta. Then this will be sine cube. This will be sine cube theta. Then plus 3 over 5 sine to the 5th theta. Then this will be 1 over 7 sine 7 theta plus c. Then I will factor out. Okay, I will, meaning there is common, right? Sine, 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 and then this one also. So I will do multiply, so this will be 1 over 35. So 1 over 35. Then common is sine. Sine theta, sorry. Sine theta. Then this will be 1. Sorry, this will be 35. I'm wrong. It should be 35. 35 and then minus 35 also. This will be 35 sine squared theta, and then this will be plus this one is sine to the 5th, 3/5, that will be 21. So 21 over 35. 21 over 35 reduced by 7. So this will be no, 7. This will be 3 over 5. Okay? 3 over 5. So this will be 21. So meaning this will be 21. 21 sine to the 4th theta. Then this will be minus 1 over 7. So meaning this is 5. This will be 5 sine to the 6th theta, then plus c. Okay, I will write the final answer in here to make it clear and specific. So I'll just write the answer in here. Is equal to 1 over 35. Then sine theta. Then this will be circle brackets 35. Then minus 35 also. Then sine squared theta plus 21 sine to the 4th theta. Then minus 5 sine to the 6th theta. Then this will be plus c. Okay? So this is now my final answer for integral of cosine to the 7 theta d theta. So I have 1 over 35 times sine theta, circle brackets 35 minus 35 sine squared theta plus 21 sine to the 4 theta minus 5 sine to the 6 theta plus c. So this is my final answer, and that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion today, you may leave your comments in the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz TV. Thanks for watching.